If you're over 45 and feel lost, watch this. If you are over 45 years old and you feel lost, empty, or confused about your life, stay with me until the end of this video. This is not a motivational speech full of empty words. This is a conversation you were never allowed to have. Many people reach this age silently, asking themselves questions they never expected. Is this really my life? Did I waste my best years? Why do I feel tired even when nothing is wrong? If you feel this way, something important is happening inside you. You are not weak. You are not ungrateful. You are not failing. You are waking up. And today, I want to explain what this stage really means, why it feels so painful, and how you can turn this confusion into clarity and peace. Why feeling lost after 45 is normal. No one prepares you for this phase of life. From childhood, you are taught to chase education, career, money, marriage, status. For decades, you live on momentum. You move from one responsibility to another without stopping to ask deeper questions. Then one day, usually after 45, the noise slows down. Your children grow. Your career plateaus. Your body changes. Your energy shifts. And suddenly, the goals that once motivated you no longer satisfy you. This does not mean something is wrong with you. It means your inner values have changed. You are no longer driven by survival. You are searching for meaning. The silent crisis. No one talks about. Most people call this a midlife crisis. But that label is misleading. This is not a crisis. It is an evaluation. At this age, you finally have enough experience to see life clearly. You realize that money alone does not bring peace. Approval does not bring fulfillment. Constant busyness does not bring happiness. This realization is uncomfortable because it forces you to question choices you made years ago. Many people avoid this pain by distracting themselves. More work, more noise, more entertainment. But avoidance only delays the problem. Identity, ego, and letting go. For years, your identity was built around roles: provider, leader, caregiver, expert. After 45, those roles begin to shift. And when identity fades, fear appears. You may feel invisible, you may feel replaceable, you may feel irrelevant. This is where ego struggles the most. But here is the truth. You are not losing your value. You are shedding old labels. Letting go of ego is painful, but it is also freeing. Redefining success. After 45. Success before 40 is about achievement. Success after 45 is about alignment. At this stage, success means peace of mind, health, meaningful relationships, work that feels honest. You stop chasing applause. You start protecting your energy. This shift is not failure. It is wisdom. The power of slowing down. One of the hardest lessons after 45 is learning to slow down. Not because you are weak, but because rushing no longer serves you. Slowing down allows you to listen to yourself, notice patterns, heal unresolved pain. Clarity does not come from speed. It comes from stillness, rebuilding purpose and direction. You do not need to reinvent your entire life. You need to realign it. Ask yourself, what drains me? What gives me peace? What feels honest now? Purpose after 45 is quieter, but it is deeper. It comes from contribution, not validation. Final message. Your second chapter, 35 to 40 minutes. Let me leave you with this. You are not starting over. You are starting from experience. This chapter is not about proving anything. It is about living truthfully. Your confusion is not the end. It is the beginning of clarity. Slow down. Be patient with yourself. Your second chapter can be the most meaningful part of your life. Thank you for staying with me. If this message resonated with you, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who needs to hear it.